This review is of Alternate Baking Company Incorporated's phenomenal pumpkin spice cookie. Well, this is the fourth cookie I'm trying from them, of which only one was great, one was okay, and one was not good. It was just kind of blah. Okay, so it's Parv and non-GMO. It's also vegan. And here are the blurb and the nutrition facts. And oops, sorry about that those crumbs in there blocking your. I am sure that every single person that watches my videos religiously looks at the nutrition facts and ingredients that I show, because that's what everybody does when they go to the grocery store. Well, not really. But you should be looking. Who knows what's in that food sometimes, I tell you. I don't know about you, but I like pumpkin pie, and I like pumpkin spices, which is not really the same thing, but they're both good. One thing I like about this company is they put a phone number on the back so that you can call them up and give them suggestions and feedback and criticisms and all that. And when I called, they actually did it. They actually had a person answering the phone who listened to me and took my comments and my suggestions. I don't know what they did with them, but they got it. Unless he was just sitting there listening and not writing anything down. As opposed to Lenny and Larry's cookies, where they give a phone number, but there's no person on the other end answering the phone. It says to leave a voicemail, and they never called me back. Yeah, just shows how much they really care. Lenny or Larry, get your butt out of bed. Sorry, this is not about Lenny and Larry. So here's my take on this cookie. It's nice, but they skimmed too much on the pumpkin spice. If I were them, I certainly would say, guys, we need to up the ante on this and add more pumpkin spice, because this is weak. It's not bad. It's just not remarkable. And, that's just sad, because I would like a remarkable cookie with this flavor and the other flavors that they offer. So, if you want an okay pumpkin spice cookie and a blah chocolate chip espresso cookie and a really good, what was it, lemon and cranberry or something cookie, and a not so good, I don't even remember what the other one was. Well, anyways, I don't really, at this point, for 99 cents, it's a pretty big cookie. It's certainly going to you'd pay more than that at a restaurant. But, yeah. I'm just babbling now. I'll shut up. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.